I'm Mr. Promise Chinyere Enyinea.
Can you tell us the experience of what actually took place yesterday in Wisdom School?
Honestly, it was very bad experience. I've never seen such in my life before. I always watch it in movie, but this is life. I saw it myself, not somebody told me. We were in the shop yesterday towards 7:45 to 8 when we had a gunshot outside the supermarket. So I was in the counter giving somebody change. So we have about 3 customers inside the shop. One of my staff was attending to the other one person, and one of the other one, he was tending to another person, and I was trying to give the other third person change when we had a gunshot at our side. So those 3 men, those 3 customers, they are trying to go outside. Within me, I was thinking that it's a tire, motor tire that burst, but I never knew that it's gunshot. So those 3 men, when they went out to go and they just want to go out to see that sound. Those people now came in and opened fire. And the gun where they are holding is AK-47. That's how they gunned 3 of them down. I don't know where to go. I don't really know where to run to, because if I make any move, I will be dead. What I do, I move away from the cash point. I move a little way and went a light flight. Then the other of my 2 staff, they do the same. They ran and lie flat. That's how they come into the place. After they have shot those 3 people dead, with 1 person outside, that is the first person. They shot him on the head and collected his phone. So that's how we lie down. They come into the cash points. They took all away cash, or they took everything away. And I was lying very close to the cash, but I was not close to the cash. I just moved a little way. So after taking the whole cash, that's how they go away. They couldn't maybe shoot at me because I was lying down on the floor. My 2 staff was lying on the floor. Our mind was thinking maybe they will shot all of us, but God so big, God so kind. In fact, I believe that is the will of God. Our time have not yet reached for us to go. So I really bless the name of God who kept us alive. Because what my eyes saw yesterday, I watched it in a movie, but I saw it live.
What would be your call to government in terms of insecurity in this country?
We are appealing to the government. We are appealing to them. In a place like that, we need an armed man. We need a security with arms, not all this local security that has ordinary stick. We need a security that is well armed, that can able to, secure people's life and properties. Because the first bullet, after the first bullet, the lady was standing close. The bullet, sharp her breast. They have to rush her to the hospital before the first person is down already. So when they came inside, I was expecting, go down, bring your phone, bring your money. They didn't say anything, like they just opened fire. Those 3 men was already down, and we don't have option as a staff, as a manager. I have to, in fact, it's just God. I have to shift and lie down. When they took whatever, the whole money we sell, they now left. So we are not hurt. But the 4 people then die instantly.
All right, thank you. Tell us your name again.
My name is Mr. Promise Chinyere Enyinea. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.